Hi, I'm Natalie Collins, and this is a CAWG special report. Whether you call it an answer to prayer or Mother Nature unleashing her fury, the recent rains have undoubtedly caused issues throughout our wine-growing regions. As the Orville Dam situation has brought national attention to our Golden State, we at CAWG want to take a brief moment to educate you regarding how flood and excess precipitation might relate to your crop insurance policy. To help us with that, I'd like to introduce Greg Merrill of Pan American Insurance Agency to field some questions. Welcome, Greg.
Thanks, Natalie. It's great to be here.
Greg, many growers are uncertain at this time how the flooding and rains will affect their vineyards. How does the federal crop insurance policy respond to what's going on?
Great question, Natalie. Keep in mind, your federal crop insurance policy is only protecting the crop, not the vines. If there is vine damage, unfortunately, there's no coverage. If there is resulting crop loss, however, for 2017, then that is where the crop insurance policy kicks in. It's also important to remember that the crop insurance policy holder is responsible for notifying their agent of potential damage. Simply put, claims must be filed by the policyholder, and claims are made for damage for which you may not yet know the extent.
Okay, so let's say a grower believes there will be damage to their crop, but they don't know how bad it might be. What then?
The best thing to do is get in touch with your crop insurance agent right away. The policy language says within 72 hours of discovery of when damage might have occurred.
Wow, so it sounds like growers should be calling their agent as soon as possible if they think they might have a loss?
You're absolutely right. Growers should report any damage as soon as possible. If you work with Pan American, reach out to me or my team. If you work with another agency, reach out to them right away.
So a grower can call in a claim, but what about email?
Sure, Natalie, and sometimes email is the best, so that way we can start documenting the file. Some things we need to know are 1. Which varietals or ranches are affected, 2. The date of potential damage, 3. The cause of loss, in this case flood or excess precipitation.
Now, I've got a question regarding debris and trash. Many growers are finding that their vineyards are not so pristine as the floodwaters subside. Does there happen to be any coverage there?
Well, Natalie, unfortunately not. The crop insurance policy is only going to apply to unavoidable loss of production resulting from any adverse weather conditions, in this case, excessive rain. Debris cleanup, removal, trellis repairs, etc., those are not going to be covered items with regard to the federal crop insurance policy.
Thank you, Greg. This has been very helpful.
No problem, Natalie. We're here to help CAWG members anytime.
Thank you for watching, and please feel free to reach out to the CAWG office to learn more about our CAWG-endorsed federal crop insurance program.